Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off the vibration on your phone. So if your phone rings or there's a message or something that oftentimes if you leave it on, it's going to have the sound and the vibration. Now, for one reason or another, you might not want that to waste battery. You might not want both to go off. It creates a mess. If it's on the table, it shakes. So all we have to do is go to Settings. Then from settings, we're going to scroll down to sound and haptics. Now haptics, what that means is the vibration. All right, so then from here, we're going to go to haptics, always play. And I can choose that I only want to play when it's on silent mode. I only want it to vibrate when it's on silent mode. So that makes sense, actually. If you don't want any sounds like you're in the theater, but then you want to get notified if there's someone messaging you or something, then just go ahead and leave it on so that it only vibrates in silent mode. Okay, I find that to be the best compromise. Vibrate has a purpose. Like, you don't necessarily need it to make the ringtone sound and vibrate at the same time. It's like a little bit overboard sometimes. But anyways, so I leave it on play in silent mode. So go ahead and do that. Try it out, and if it helps, please consider liking and subscribing. It always helps the channel. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.